Is your hybrid vehicle suddenly losing power, or did your check engine light just come on out of nowhere? You might be dealing with a seriously overheated high-voltage battery. Today we are talking about the diagnostic trouble code P0A7E. This code is specifically for hybrid vehicles from makers like Toyota, Honda, Ford, and Subaru. When your vehicle stores this code, it means the powertrain control module, also known as the PCM, has detected that the temperature inside or near your high-voltage battery pack has exceeded the maximum safe limit. The hybrid battery pack is made up of many 1.2-volt cells, and the hybrid vehicle battery management system constantly monitors the temperature, resistance, and charge level of these cells. If things get too hot, you will start noticing some clear symptoms. Your vehicle might suffer from diminished performance and decreased fuel efficiency. In severe cases, the system might completely deactivate the electric propulsion system to protect itself, leaving you relying solely on the gas engine. So what causes this massive heat buildup? The most common culprits include a defective high-voltage battery or a failing individual cell. Sometimes, it is as simple as loose, broken, or corroded busbar connectors and cables. Other times, the battery management system sensors might fail, or the cooling fans for the battery pack might stop working properly. To fix this, you need to follow a careful diagnostic process. First and foremost, the high-voltage battery should only be serviced by qualified personnel because of the extreme danger involved. A proper diagnosis begins with a thorough visual inspection of the battery pack and all circuitry, looking specifically for corrosion or damaged cables. After ensuring the connections are secure and clean, a mechanic will use a diagnostic scanner to retrieve all stored codes and freeze frame data. They will use a digital volt-ohm meter, or DVOM, to test the individual temperature sensors against the specifications provided by the manufacturer. If your hybrid has over 100,000 miles on the odometer, you should strongly suspect a complete battery pack failure. However, if your vehicle has less than 100,000 miles, a loose or corroded connection is much more likely to be the source of your malfunction. If you do not have the proper training, high-voltage insulated gloves, and diagnostic tools, this is exactly the time you need to take your car to a professional hybrid mechanic. Attempting to fix high-voltage systems at home can be deadly. Stay safe, trust the professionals with this one, and get your hybrid back on the road safely.